This video will review the Projected Retirement Eligibility Report tab on the Workforce Deployment Dashboard. The Department of Human Resources and the Edison Business Intelligence team in the Department of Finance Administration has collaborated to build an easy-to-read series of dashboards in the Business Intelligence module of Edison. The Workforce Deployment Dashboard contains key human capital management data metrics that begin at the highest level, such as staffing, turnover, and demographics, all in an easy-to-read format. In this video, we will be discussing the various reports contained within the Projected Retirement Eligibility tab in the Workforce Deployment Dashboard. This dashboard was created to give agencies a reference point to assist them in succession planning. The dashboard has the ability to forecast the projected retirement eligibility of current staff up to 10 years in the future. It calculates years of service, including current sick leave balance. It shows a year-over-year actual retirement percentages based on the agency headcount, and the data in the reports on this tab are projections only. For definite years of service, the Tennessee Consolidated Retirement System, or TCRS, must verify the credible years of service for each employee. Now let's look at the projected retirement eligibility data as it appears in the dashboard. There are two ways to access the Business Intelligence module from the Edison homepage. The first way is to click here. Then under Other Applications, click on Business Intelligence. The second way is to click on the navigation bar in the top right corner, click on Menu, and then click on Business Intelligence. From the homepage, access the Workforce Deployment Dashboard by clicking on the Dashboard drawdown at the top right of the page. On the list of dashboards, click on Workforce Deployment. total position count drill down shows both filled and vacant positions in the Department ID Division name view. Left click on the total position counts number. Click on the View by Agency drill down, and when the next table pops up, click on the View by Department ID or Division. The Division view returns filled, vacant, total, and overlap position counts. Drilling down to the detail level can be done from the filled, vacant, or total columns. However, only the total column will show all of the data seen here. The filled and vacant columns only return data pertaining to that category. The total positions counts detail drill down can be accessed from this point or from the Department ID Division drill down section by clicking on the total number and selecting the View by Detail option. The detail view of the total positions drill down will display 30 columns. From left to right, the first 20 columns will display information like a regular staffing pattern: agency, division, location, position by job title, job code, status pay code, supervisor information, and employee information including salary. Vacant positions will show the minimum salary based on the current Alpha Comp plan. Note, the position descriptions are the official description of the position. If a position has flex levels, the actual position description does not show on this report. The remaining 10 columns have information related to the position. Here's a sample from the TDEC position and vacancy report. The first column after the employee information, or column 21 of the entire report, is the position status. This will show the position designation of filled or vacant. The next two columns pertain to the vacant positions, showing the date they became vacant and the number of months the position has been vacant. The next column is the EEO code that is aligned with the filled positions. The last 6 columns summarizes headcounts in positions that are designed to have more than one employee assigned to a single position number, including overlaps. The report just below the position vacancy report on this tab is a drill down of sorts. The position data class overview report shows filled and vacant data, but it does so by job code and classification. When drilling down by agency on the job code classification information, the user should select View by Agency and then View by Department ID and Division. The list of job codes will appear sorted by Department ID and Division order. The final report on this tab is the Position Data Reports to Overview. This report shows the ratio of employees per supervisor for the agency. In this example, the table shows the number of supervisors, the number of employees that report to a supervisor, and the ratio of the number of employees per supervisor for the entire agency. The drill down to the agency level is accomplished by clicking on the Count of Reports to number. Click on By Agency and then View by Department ID and Division. This brings up the report to ratios for each division. Clicking on any one of the Count of Reports to numbers for a division, or on the Reports to Overall number and clicking View by Count will show the division information as well as the list of supervisors, redacted here for privacy reasons, how many employees report to that supervisor, and the ratio. Clicking on the View by Detail will show the supervisor's information and the employees that report to them, including the position information related to that employee position. This concludes the Workforce Deployment Projected Retirement Eligibility Report training. Please view our other videos in this section to learn more about the individual dashboards and reports. If you have any questions, please contact a member of the DOHR Organizational Performance and Data Management team directly or at dohr.opdm@tn.gov at any time. Thank you.